everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's another ketovore recipe. This one is a keto manicotti. That's right, noodles made not of noodles. They are made of chicken. You gotta try this one, you guys. It's the best one we've tried so far. We got it from Chris Cook in Nashville and Southern Keto's mashup. Chris Cook in Nashville did a carnivore version of these manicotti, and Southern Keto did a keto version, and so we sort of did a mashup of both. So why don't you guys give it a try? It is delicious. Watch the video. I love it when my mom cooks these kind of recipes because there's all kinds of meat and cheese, and I love both things. So it's also good for Yoda. I hope you guys have a great Monday. Give this one a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we are making a keto manicotti today. And we are using this chicken breast, upper roasted chicken breast, as our noodles. Here's what they look like. Oh, look at, got my filling in there. My manicotti noodles all wrapped up. Working on my sauce here. I'm doing an Alfredo type sauce. I'm gonna tell you what I got in there. So the filling, I did 2 cans of chicken breast, drained them. I squeezed in about probably 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. And then I used this full thing of non-dairy cream cheese from Kroger. And then I used the blend of my spices, salt, pepper, and garlic. And so that's the filling. And then we know the noodle is the sliced chicken breast, and I got it from the deli section at Walmart. And then the sauce, what I have in there is about a cup of this Silk non-dairy heavy whipping cream. I put in about probably 1/4 to 1/2 of a cup of this non-dairy mozzarella cheese, more blend, and some nutritional yeast. It kind of gives a Parmesan type flavor and some extra protein. So that's what's in the sauce here. And I'm gonna take this and pour it over the top of the manicottis. Then I'm gonna put some cheese on top of that and then put it in a 425 degree oven for about 20 minutes. All right, so I've poured the sauce over our manicotti, and then now we have this follow your heart dairy-free mozzarella cheese on top, and then we're gonna put it in the 425 degree oven for 20 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 25 minutes or so on 425. Look how golden brown and bubbly it is, nummy. Gonna have our ketovore manicotti. I'll give it a try. I got this from Southern Keto and Chris Cook in Nashville. They did like a collaboration, and Chris Cook in Nashville did a carnivore version of manicotti, and then Southern Keto did a ketovore or keto version. And so I did the kind of keto version, I guess you would say, because since my cheese is non-dairy, it's made of like plant-based materials, so there's gonna be a little bit of carbs in there. Not a ton, but you know, it's definitely not carnivore. So anyway, give it a try. I'll put a link to their video in the description box below. Happy Monday.